So due to their largest size, they are having highest electropositive nature because they can release the electron very easily and form the monovalent ion very easily. So this is all about the ionization enthalpy. Now the students, next one is hydration energy. Now students, what is the hydration enthalpy? Since in the previous class you have learned about the water of crystallization. So the main, what is hydration enthalpy actually? Generally, the energy when 1 gram mole of an ion is dissolved in water, when any 1 gram mole of ion, like we are dissolving 1 mole lithium ion in water, then in that case the amount of energy released, it is called the hydration enthalpy. Means lithium ion, it get attracted by the water molecules, and the water molecules get combined with it, hydrate the lithium ion and or hydrate the salt of lithium ion, and due to this the energy is released. This is called the hydration enthalpy. The alkali metals are having a very lesser amount of hydration enthalpy. The reason means the main reason is that because they are having the higher size, so that's why they do not get hydrated easily. Lithium ion being the smallest in size shows maximum hydrating nature, and this is the reason that the salts of lithium are only found in hydrated form, like lithium chloride dot 2H2O. So lithium salts are only found in hydrated form, as well as other salts are not found in hydrated form. Students, since the hydration enthalpy or hydration energy, it has a direct relation, it has a relation with the size of the element. Hydration enthalpy is inversely proportional to the size of ion or atom. So if the elements or the ions having lesser amount of size or minimum size shows maximum hydration enthalpy. So if the size of the ion will be smallest, then in that case the amount of hydration enthalpy released during reaction with water, during combination of water, will be maximum. That's why the order of the hydration enthalpy will be lithium ion, then sodium ion, then potassium ion, then rubidium ion, and then cesium ion. Okay, this will be the order of the hydration enthalpy. Generally, we know that the salts of alkali metal are ionic and they are soluble in water. That's why they get hydrated by the water molecules. Now the next is atomic and ionic radius of the group 1 element or alkali metals. Generally, the alkali metals are having the largest size in the periodic table. That's why with increase in atomic number, their atomic as well as ionic radius is more, because they are having the highest size. And if we move from top to bottom, like lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, then I'm moving from top to bottom, the size of the S block elements continuously increases. Why increases? Because the number of shells increases, the atomic number increases. And if we will see to the value of their ions, like Na plus, lithium plus, sodium plus, potassium plus, rubidium plus, cesium plus, then also the means on moving from top to bottom, the size of their ions will increase. Okay, but the size of the lithium ion corresponds with respect to its parent atom is lesser. So the parent atom is having comparative more size as than its cation. Okay, so the atomic radius, we can see that the atomic radius will increase from top to bottom in case of element parent atom as well as their ions, but the size of their ion, the ion of alkali metals or any atom, generally cationic size is smaller than their individual parent atom.